Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is charge given on borrowed money or simple interest from comparing quantities 7th class NCERT. This is the main and important topic and easiest topic also to solve the problems. So let's start with the charge given on borrowed money or simple interest. If you observe this is a charge and borrowed money and simple interest. If you follow this video correctly, then you will get the answer in this line only. Charge, borrowed money, that is called simple interest. I will explain through step by step. Then you will get better understanding, I hope. If in case, take one example. Let it be A and B are two friends. A is going to buy a scooter. For example, scooter or one item. Okay. It must cost is so expensive than she thinks. But B asked A, you have sufficient money or not? You have sufficient money or not? A said, no, I want to put a loan from bank or any person. Let it be X also. So here, loan from bank. See this line. What is a loan from bank? Okay. For example, if you take this is as bank, you take the some money sufficient to buy a item. Okay, so let it be total money you got from the bank. Okay, let it be P. It is called principal. Okay, now after some time you have returned this. So return. This is the borrowed money principal, right? So after some time you have given this to the bank. But in between these two, we have some time period. It may be days or months or years. Usually we are using years, but I am going to tell you about it in detail. So days, months or years. Okay, this is called T. For this time, bank has some charges on that. Charges on that time. It is called interest. According to their rules and depends on principal also. So here we have got three. One is P and another one is T, another one is I. It is called interest and this is time and this is principal. So how much money you can give bank at the time of return? That is called total amount. Amount, that is principal plus interest. So this is the when we are going to return, we have to pay this amount. This is called simple interest. Okay, now how we are going to find interest here? That is the main thing also to add to the principal. So let's start how to find an interest. If for example 5,000 rupees is the loan, it means it is called P, right? Principal amount. And time is for 1 year. Now rate of interest, it means rate of interest, it means 10% per annum. Annum means year, that means per year also. So usually we are using per annum base wise problems, so that's why it's called rate of interest. So here if you solve this, here we have P but we don't have interest. It means, so I is equal to how much of principal, that is P, into rate of interest R by 100. This is the formula for the interest. So by substituting these values, I is equal to P means 5000 into R means rate of interest. See one thing here, 10% means 10 by 100. Usually we are using this, but in this case we are only using this 10 only. It means rate of interest means 10 only. So 10 divided by 100. Now make simplification, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. So 500 rupees is the interest for 1 year. Therefore, how we are going to add? Amount is equal to P plus I. If in case we have to pay this total amount to the bank, that is returned amount, that is A, P plus I. P is, we know, that is the loan taken from the bank, and I is interest we are calculated. Therefore, interest 500 rupees plus principal loan, that is principal 5,000 rupees. That's equal to 5,500 rupees is we have to pay for the, when we are going to return the bank, that is the amount. So this is the simple interest formula and this is the interest formula. By using these two we can calculate the amount. And if in case there is a given amount and there is a interest is also given, we have to find the P also, vice versa. In this case we cannot write 10 by 100. So cannot write R as 10 by 100. Only we have to write it as R is equal to 10 only. In starting of video I told you charge, borrowed money, simple interest. Here borrowed money is this and charge is interest and simple interest is by combining these two. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box, click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.